Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Braum in Wild Rift. Braum is a fantastic tank support, known for his incredible ability to protect his team and disrupt enemies. His kit revolves around keeping allies safe and setting up powerful crowd control. We will cover his core abilities, early game strategies, and how to dominate team fights. Get ready to master the heart of the Freljord and become an unyielding shield for your carries. Let's dive into the details and make you a Braum expert. During the early game, your main goal as Braum is to protect your attack damage carry and establish lane dominance. Use your Winter's Bite, your first ability, to poke enemies and apply stacks of your passive, concussive blows. Look for opportunities to stun opponents when your carry can follow up. Remember to position yourself slightly in front of your ally, acting as a front line. Ward strategically around the river and enemy jungle to prevent ganks and secure early objectives. As the game progresses into the mid and late stages, Braum becomes a crucial team fight presence. Your primary role is to peel for your carries, using your abilities to protect them from assassins and divers. Initiate team fights with your ultimate, Glacial Fissure, to knock up and stun multiple enemies, creating an opening for your team. Remember to use Unbreakable, your second ability, to block high-impact enemy projectiles and reduce incoming damage. Always position yourself as the front line, shielding your allies. For Braum's build, focus on defensive items that enhance his tankiness and utility. Core items often include Dead Man's Plate for movement speed and armor, and Randuin's Omen for critical strike reduction and health. Prioritize items that provide a good balance of health, armor, and magic resistance to withstand various damage types. For runes, Resolve is a strong primary choice, often paired with Fawn of Life for ally healing and Second Wind for lane sustain. Spirit Visage is excellent for magic resistance and increased healing effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.